am moving out. Hey guys, I know my face look horrible, but you know what, this is how I look. I'm not gonna use makeup. I'm not gonna do this vlog gonna be like a raw vlog. Raw vlog. I am moving out. From the title, I guess you all know that I'm moving out. And wait, I've been planning to vlog since morning, but because like, can you hear that? There's renovation going on. I tell you, my place here, every single time try to vlog, it's always renovation going on. It is so much better. I'll tell you guys a quick story before they're gonna start drilling again. So here's the story. It's a shock for me as well that, you know, suddenly our landlord just called us and tell like, oh, you guys need to move out. And I was like, what? Why? So after that, me and Sarah was like, you know, busy looking for house. More like I busy looking for the house. I was so stressed looking for house here in Malaysia. If you're an Indian and then you're looking for rental house in Malaysia, seriously, I understand you guys. Like when you say it is so difficult, it is so difficult. I just don't understand simple things. So if you're like the real estate agent who watch my vlog or whatever, I want to tell you guys, okay, do not waste people's time and people's money. If you want to put an advertisement or whatever, put there, I only want, or landlord only want Chinese only. That's it. You don't waste my time. So that when I read, I know like, oh, okay, they only wanted Chinese. So you don't go and ask, or you don't go and call them, which is also my money. You know, call and ask like, you know, can we view and all and blah blah blah. It's so irritating. These 3 mangkok ayun just waste my time, because like after view and you just like tell to my face, I went there and I literally viewed the house, and after everything, when we all said like, okay, bye, you know, we'll go back and think, and it's like, oh, anyways, owners only want Chinese. And I'm like, what the hell? Are you freaking serious? Like, are you seriously telling me this after I waste my time? I waste my money, my petrol money to come and see and view the place, and now you just give Chinese only. So what happened? Fine. And then after 2 days, my owner, like the current house owner, called Sarah and said like, bro, I think you put on hold first. You all don't need to shift yet. And I was like, oh, thank God, I don't need to go through all this, you know, the real estate drama and all. I was like, okay, fine. And after that 2 days, he came back and it's like, you know what, I confirm you all have to shift. And I was like, oh my goodness, what happened to our landlord? I mean, like, from there I realized that he is like in a situation. So me and Sarah sit down and then we look into our budget and all. We targeted few other areas nearby his shop. And finally we got this one place. I really love this place. When I enter, I just have that vibes, and I was just telling to myself, you know, I was just like literally entering the house, and the first thing that caught my eye, my attention, is the fan. You know what, this is like a family house fan, so I definitely want to have this house. And then I spoke to the agent was so nice, and then he talked about the community at the area itself. It's a mixed crowd, like Chinese, Indian, Malay, so it's nice. And then they even invited me for 31st August function, like they're having a function and they invited me, and I was like, oh, that's nice. I mean, the agent even said, you know what, even though if you don't want the house or whatever, you can always come. That brings me and just touches my heart and say like, oh my God, you still have like this type of people, and these people is seriously killing me. So I have 2 weeks to move out, but I yet to pack any single thing, so I'm just going to bring you guys along lah. So in this video, more it's a decluttering video for sure, because I got a lot of stuff I need to throw. Sarah finally get the boxes. I think maybe this is enough. I'm not sure. I'll ask him more. First thing that I'm going to settle is my middle room, because I have very little stuff here, and I'm trying to segregate whatever that I want and whatever that I don't want. This one I want, and this one few things that I'm going to throw, and yeah, a few other things as well. And then saris, oh my God, this shirt, these blouses, this is like all old blouses. Oh, my sari blouse, this down part I need to clear, and then this part as well. Bed curtain, I need to take it off. All my accessories, I need to clean some of it. Oh my god, this is just so old. I should, oh my god, this one is so old, must throw already. Whatever that I need to clean, I need to clean. Whatever that I need to throw, I need to throw. Oh, I have this card. My sayang, happy birthday, may God bless you, Rasita Shirley. Birthday, huh? Okay, with lots of loves, your husband. This nice, this one I got from my friend. And then happy birthday to my darling wife. Ooh!
A few moments later.
Hip. It's more to traditional stuff. I'm just gonna keep more.
More moments later.
Today is our last day here at our house in Kapong. It's 1:30 a.m. and it's supposed to sleep, and I was just like thinking like, you know what, it's my freaking last night here, let's just vlog a little bit. It is very stressful, like seriously very stressful. At 5 plus, I asked Sarah and I asked him like, hey, have you confirmed with the lorry driver tomorrow, like whether we're shifting or not, what time he's coming and all? And then Sarah just looked at me and said like, oh, he didn't answer my phone call. And I was like, what? I was like, okay, fine. So what we're gonna do? And then he's like, okay, never mind, tomorrow you just find another number. And I was like, what? Seriously? And I was just thinking, okay, if tomorrow I find another number, so definitely we're gonna ship on Tuesday. So if today I find a number, mean it's gonna be tomorrow, right? So you know what, I call, I just go in Google, I go and ask a lot of people, I ask around, and ask for anyone knows, like, you know, ask Magis, ask Auntie, ask a lot of people whether you all know any movers or not. And I also Google online, and finally I got this one guy, and he answered the call, and he actually have a slot tomorrow. Yeah, he said okay, and then we was like, okay, confirm. So it's confirmed, it's confirmed. So I really hope that Fleur never FFQ me, or he never just put a bomb tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I'll call him. If tomorrow he just decided to cancel on us, then I tell you seriously, I think I'll just live in Kapong, you know, no need to go anywhere, just live here. I'll just tell to the owner, you know what, I decide I'm gonna live here, okay, bye. I'm just gonna say like that. Stressful way. And then after that, we decided to go to, after I think about 8 o'clock or something, we decided to go to our place. I get a person, someone to clean the house. We tried to go in, but that fella locked the padlock. So, and that's the only key we have. I thought to him, call him lah, call the guy lah, we are here already. And then Sarah just looked at me and it's like, unfortunately I didn't take his number. And I'm just like, okay, I'm not gonna do anything. I really can't say much because it happened already. So I mean, they cleaned the house, okay, they cleaned the house, we saw, and it's like, okay, we can smell like the detergent smell and all, everything is okay. Hope inside everything is fine, and yeah, that's it. But seriously, I pray to God, I really hope tomorrow everything will go smooth. I think I can't handle any more stress. So yeah, just gonna show you guys around. Like, the house is messy, practically all done, all empty. Bed all done. This one just put outside and then we are done. Okay, Okay, boxes. Everything is done, like nothing, all like last carpet. This one all like small stuff we can carry ourselves. Yeah, this one is the owner's ones. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys again tomorrow at our new house. Freaking gross. Okay, basically new place for balcony. This is our room. Second room. Okay, so that's a quick tour. Once it's set up, I will show you guys. I will vlog again. I'm also planning to do a before and after vlog to show you guys how I actually decorate my place. I'm planning to do some DIY as well, like on budget, like really on budget. So stay tuned for that video. Okay, bye guys.